Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a super cool car, man. This is a car, I actually bought it from a buddy of mine right down the street. He's owned this car for 4 years. It's a 1965 Ford Mustang fastback. It's a GT350 Hertz Rent-A-Racer replica. Super cool car. He bought this car 4 years ago. He actually bought it from Ride Tech Suspension. This was Ride Tech's mule car for their first-gen Mustang suspension kit. This car has all of their, it's all four-corner, full tubular, all adjustable Ride Tech suspension on it. Got a nasty sounding 289 Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. It's got air. It's got the big Baer disc brakes on it. Car sits down 2 inches, and again, everything on this car is adjustable. Just a super cool car, man. It's got that black and gold Rent-A-Racer paint scheme on it. It's got some aftermarket race buckets in it. But pretty car, man. Pretty paint. Car's only got, I think it's 69,000. That's the original miles on this car. You can see a little stone peck here or there. But very nice car, man. Super cool car. Fun to drive, guys. This thing's like driving a go-kart. Like I say, it's got a wicked little camshaft in this 289. Just sounds mean as can be. Just a cool car. It's got the bullet mirrors on it. Pretty car. The tint's coming off the back window a little. It's got the fold down rear seat. I'll tell you what, guys, this car is fun to drive. Nice and tight. It'd be awesome to have this thing on a road course. The stone peck there. You can see how straight the car is down the sides. That's all ZR rated Michelin rubber all the way around it. It's got the Billet Specialty wheels. Sorry guys, just a little dust on there. How straight that car is. Man, just a pretty car. This is one of those cars, man, when it's rolling down the road, it just looks good. It's got the big Baer front disc brakes on it with the slotted and drilled rotors. And again, tubular upper and lower control arms, all four-corner adjustable coil-over shocks. Again, it's a 289 with a good sounding cam, 4-barrel Edelbrock intakes, got a set of headers on it. You can see the Cobra valve covers, power steering, front disc brakes. It does have air. Air does work. They've done this all in like a, I don't even know what they'd call it, a hammer coat. See your original VIN, they left that, but they did everything else in a hammer coat. Tremec 5-speed manual trans. Just a good looking car. No door tag. Like I say, the original VIN is on the inner fender, though. I will order a door tag from Marty, though. It's got the black and silver interior. These are adjustable race buckets, console, aftermarket steering wheel. Does have the rally pack gauges. Again, it's got the fold down rear seat, overhead console. Again, rally pack gauges, factory dash in it. It's got 69,904 on the odometer. AM/FM radio. It's dual exhaust. It's a factory rear end with a 4-link type rear suspension. It's got big front and rear sway bars. It's about a 3.55 gear, Jay. So definitely something you can cruise in, but still got some performance. Fully adjustable, yeah. All 4 corners are fully adjustable, right? Yeah. Pull this back, just all black in here with a tank mat. There's a spare. Oh yeah, there's a spare in here. Oh, sorry, a little dust there, guys. Sorry. We got it up in the air. Got some good pictures of the bottom of the car. This is a neat car, man. Fastbacks are so hot right now, man. Everybody chasing them. Just can't find them. Buckets are cool. Like I say, they're adjustable. They're very comfortable. Yeah, this is a neat car. It's got that custom billet shifter on it. In it, I should say. Listen to this thing when he fires it up, man. This 289 sounds awesome. Nasty little cam to it. AC works. See if I can do this one-handed. Sorry guys. I just had one of the boys come out here and do it. Man, this car's got a good look to it, man. Listen to that cam. Rally pack works. Fuel gauge works. Temp gauge works. Parking brake, Jay? Parking brake does work, guys. Again, Tremec 5-speed all the way over to the right and down. Blower motor does work. Radio works. Oh, this car sounds good, man. Fog lights work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Jay stalling stuff. First time in a manual shift car there, Jay? I'll make sure you keep track of our website. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Check out our Facebook page, our Instagram page, or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.